Welcome to Tech Threads, where we explore the fascinating world of technology. Today we're looking up, way up into space, where some of the most important tools for understanding our planet are quietly orbiting above us. These tools are called remote sensing satellites. These are satellites that take pictures and collect data about the Earth from space. These satellites are equipped with powerful sensors that can see in ways our eyes can't, like detecting heat, moisture, vegetation health, or even tiny changes in land elevation. They can observe forests, oceans, cities, farmlands, you name it, and they do it every day from hundreds of kilometers above. Let's talk about how they actually work. Some satellites act like super cameras, using sunlight to reflect off the Earth's surface, which they then capture in different wavelengths. These are called passive sensors. Others send out their own signals, like radar, and measure how those signals bounce back. That allows them to see even at night or through thick clouds. These are active sensors, and they're really handy during storms or in dark polar regions. There are also different kinds of orbits for different purposes. Polar orbiting satellites pass over different parts of the planet as the Earth spins underneath, eventually covering the entire globe. These are great for detailed monitoring of land use, farming, or climate change. Then you have geostationary satellites, which hover over one fixed spot, watching things like hurricanes or wildfire smoke in near real time. But why does all of this matter to us on the ground? Well, satellites are quietly shaping your life, whether you realize it or not. For instance, that weather forecast you checked this morning? Satellite data. Farmers use satellite images to monitor their crops. Emergency teams use them to assess flood or wildfire damage. Even city planners use satellite maps to track urban sprawl and plan future development. And then there's the environmental side. Satellites help track deforestation, melting glaciers, shrinking lakes, you name it. They've become essential tools in understanding and fighting climate change. Let me give you a few real-world examples. The Landsat program in the US has been observing the Earth since 1972. That's over 50 years of continuous imagery, making it the longest-running Earth observation program in history. Landsat has helped us track deforestation in the Amazon, monitor glacier retreat, and even study urban heat islands. Then there's Europe's Sentinel satellites, part of the Copernicus program. These are like environmental watchdogs, constantly monitoring air quality, water pollution, and land changes, and the data is free and open to everyone. India's Cartosat satellites, meanwhile, are known for their high-resolution imaging. They've been used for mapping, agricultural planning, and disaster relief, especially in areas hit by floods or earthquakes. And let's not forget the private players. Planet Labs, for example, operates a fleet of tiny satellites that image the Earth every single day. Their data is used in everything from insurance to conservation to supply chain tracking. What's really exciting is where this is all going. Satellites are getting smaller, cheaper, and smarter. With AI and machine learning, we're now able to process huge amounts of satellite data almost instantly. That means we can detect wildfires within minutes of ignition. We can monitor illegal mining or fishing as it happens. We can help farmers prepare for droughts before the crops even show signs of stress. It's like having a live global dashboard for the planet. So next time you look up at the sky, just remember, there's a whole network of silent sentinels. Up there, keeping watch. They're not just tools of science, they're eyes in the sky helping us protect, understand, and better manage the only home we've got.